welcome back everybody. So today in this video we are going to be doing a live edge ocean bowl. This wood is ash and we're going to start by turning it round with the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. Just start by flattening off the bottom there, gradually working our way around. Now come and let your heart go. Come and let your heart go. Burning, burning, everybody is rolling, turning, everybody is moving to reach our deepest creatures. There you go. Okay, so now we're just going to get a pencil and the chop jaws marker and mark out for a tenon now. Okay, and now we're down to create the tenon. So the tool we're going to use for this first of all is the mid-size rougher. Okay, now we switch to the CI7, which is the micro detailer to take away the nubbin, and this is the standard detailer to take away the tenon part so it matches the angles of the jaw so we can handle it in the chop properly. Okay, so now we're going to get on with doing a bit of sanding. I've already done most of the sanding, so we're just going to get up to a 240 grit here with cling spore abrasives. There we go. There's some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. That's just to clean off any sawdust from out of the grain. And now we're going to get to some sanding sealer from Hampshire Sheen. Okay, this is Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. You can get this from Axminster in the UK or Northside Custom Crafts in the USA. There is links down in the description. Then you just buff it all in until you get a clean paper towel, and you've got the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. There we go. Take away that piece of paper towel there. Okay, so now we've got some gloss finishing wax here from Hampshire Sheen. If anybody's interested in any Hampshire Sheen products that I've used in this video, there will also be a link to that down in the description. Buff this wax on. There you go. Get the lathe down to about 1,000, 1,200. Like I say, buff it all in. Don't push too hard. You don't want to wipe off any wax that you've just put on. buff it in nicely. They get a nice shine. And there you go. Okay, so now we're going to start hollowing it out now. So the first tool we're going to use is going to be the mid-size #1 hollower from Easy Wood Tools. By far my favourite tool of the Easy Wood range. Very versatile. And there's the mid-size finisher, just take out any ridges that might have happened.
In your eyes, the ocean met the sky.
There you go. Okay, we're going to get the sand in, so we're going to start with 400, or end with 400 I should say. I've sanded all the other grits. So this is once again with Link Spore abrasives. Once again with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol to clean out the pores of the wood of any sawdust. And there's some sky blue stain from the Hampshire Sheen, that's the intrinsic range. To cover the whole inside of the bowl. Right all off now with a little bit of friction in there with a clean paper towel. There you go.
I see your face on strangers in every crowd.
And there's some clear gloss lacquer from Hampshire Sheen. I end up putting a couple of coats of this on, but only show one on camera. And finally some more gloss wax, just to finish it off. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please feel free to share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with your enemies if you like. Hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button if you please. And until the next video, I shall catch you later. Bye bye for now.